fuck this. You'd open that fucking door. What the fuck was that? This fucking door's always... Would you open this fucking door for me? Yeah, you bollocks. Open this fucking door. Oh, fuck. I can smell ass. Look. How long have I got to stand here looking at you? Need this fucking door opening. Yeah, that one. Yeah, that's it. Fucking walk towards me. That's the one. Yeah. Thank fuck for that. Right, I'm off. See ya. Arsehole.